Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe this channel because this channel give you complete preparation for O levels, A levels, IGCSE, GCSE and many others competitive exams. Today's problem is root y plus y by 4 plus 1 plus y by 6 minus 1 equals root of y by 3 plus 5. You have to solve this problem. So to solve this, first of all, we will take the LCM of 4, 6 and 3. So what will it become when we take LCM of 4, 6 and 3? We get like this. So 2 times and then gives us, which gives 3 times 2 is 6 times 2 is 12. That means LCM of 4, 6 and 3 is 12. So we will make a supposition here, that is let y equals 3 times y equals 12 times x. So we will solve this question as this y will become 12x by 4 plus 1 and this will become 12x by 6 minus 1 and this equals 12x by 3 plus 5. So we will solve this. It will become root of, when 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 3 times 12. So 3 of x plus 1, this will be 2 of x minus 1 and this will be 4 of x plus 4, 5. Now we will take the square on both sides. So we get root of 3x plus 1 plus root of 2x minus 1 square equals root of 4x plus 5 square. So this square is cancelled out by this. Here we apply the formula of a plus b whole square. We get 3 of x plus 1 square plus root of 2 of x minus 1 square plus 2 root of 3x plus 1 root of 2x minus 1, that equals 4x plus 5. Now this square is cancelled out by this root. We have 3x plus 1, this is 2x minus 1 plus 2 times of 3x plus 1 and the 2x minus 1, that equals 4x plus 5. So this and this are cancelled out. So we have, this will become 3x plus 2x is 5x. This will be subtracted, so 5x minus 4x and or plus 5 will become minus 5 plus 2 root of 3x plus 1 into 2 of x minus 1 equals 0. So we get this as, it will become 5x minus is x. We have solve this further, gives y minus 5 or x minus 5 equals minus 2 of root of, this will goes to this side, root of 3x plus 1 into 2 of x minus 1 equals 0. Not equal 0 because this side. Now we take square on both sides. So x minus 5 square and this will be by taking square 4 into 3 of x plus 1 and 2 of x minus 1. Open this square gives x square, or we will solve this place. This gives x square plus 25 minus 10 of x equals 4 of This is the 6x square plus 3 minus 3 of x plus 2 of x minus 1. So x square plus 25 minus 10 of x equals 4 of 6x square minus 3x plus 2x is minus x minus 1. Now solve this further, multiply this. This is 24x square minus 4 of x minus 4. This is x square plus 25 minus 10x. 24x square minus x square 4 of x plus 10 of x minus 4 minus 25 equals 0. 23x square plus 6x minus 29 equals 0. Now we solve this further as 23x square plus 29. This is 29x and minus 23 or 23x first. Then we use the minus sign. And the next one is 29y minus 29 equals 0. Take 23x common, remaining is x minus 1 plus 29 remaining is x minus 1 equals 0. Now we have two values. 23x plus 29 equals 0 and minus 1 equals 0. This implies x equal minus 29 by 23. That is negative. So it will be rejected. Only the possible is x minus 1. So x equals 1. We have supposed that we have to find the value of y. Y equals 12x, that gives y equals 12. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117. Also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Keep learning, keep growing, stay tuned. Best of luck for your exams.